Hi guys, this is my first video upload for my DIY project. DIY sometimes is do it yourself or destroy it yourself. So just bear with me. Without much further ado, we go to the straight to the installation of the AC monitoring device, so that for those who have solar panel system, they can monitor the power consumption, and then we can justify the expenses of our solar system. So we will know also the return on investment of our system. So now we'll proceed with the installation. Um, this one is the AC monitoring device I bought from Shopee. Just see the link below. This one is a device that will measure the current output of your consumption, taken from the solar system. So with this, at least you will have a baseline of how much you are consuming, and then you can calculate your electricity bill. So in the future, for us that having this system, we can we will know that is it justifiable to have a solar system to offset our electricity bill. Okay, now we'll start with the installation. Actually, the installation was done previously because there are so many wires involved. I've already put in the system. Now I'll just try to connect this one and energize, so we will know if it's functioning, and we will see it from there. Okay. Before I forgot, if you have, you must need to have an isolator for this one. So you need to cut the circuit so there will be no electricity flowing around the system. And that's it. Now that the connection is done, we'll try to check if this one is functioning before we'll try to close everything. Now we'll try to energize the system. We will turn on the solar panel breaker. Then we'll see if the controller is functioning okay with no error. We'll try to energize this one now. And we'll try to give some load so there will be electricity flowing on this device. Then that's the time that we can see if the current is flowing. In. Out. And now it's functioning. Currently we have 229.3 or 230 volts. This is the voltage that our utility is supplying, and then the frequency is around 60 hertz, 59.9, 60 hertz. And then this one, the yellow one, is giving us the actual current load, and then the orange one is the summary or accumulation of the loads that are being consumed. And this one will be recorded on this device, but this one has a reset function, so you can start zero maybe from the time of after the billing cycle. Then you can start zero on this one and then match the grids, utility grids billing system, and then you can compare the kilowatt hour consumption of this device to your utility meter. At least we have an approximation of what of how much electricity that we are consuming. You don't have to go out to the post and try to see the meter, what are the readings every day. So now I think this is functioning okay, and then we'll try to close this. So we need to align everything. So before we can close this, now we're running electricity from our solar system. We are completely off the grid, and by the way, this system has no battery. We have, for now, because the battery is a bit expensive, I'll try to save on that one. This is just a complete off-grid system, but without battery. The whole morning we can use electricity freely, totally off the grid, as long as sun is there. By the way, disclaimer, uh, do not try this doing it yourself if you're not confident in handling uh, electricity, and because this one is it's a high voltage system, and then you will be electrocuted and it will be very fatal. So if you're not sure what you are doing, maybe just get a qualified technician or a professional electrical engineer to do the things you want in your system. I think that's about it, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. If you want to subscribe and click the bell icon, then I have other few uploads in the future. Some do it yourself or destroy it yourself. Okay, thank you.